Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. एक बार check करिए, audio video clear है, sound picture quality everything is fine, all well. एक बार confirmation दे दीजिए. I have started the session 2-3 minutes back only, but after that I have realized the streaming is not started. I think अभी start हो गया, everything is clear. Audio video दोनों चीजें clear है. So we are going to have the discussion around 6th to 7th of October current affairs 2025. The show is called TNA by Aditya sir, today's news analysis. We are going to have the discussion around all the important banking, insurance, RBI circular, SEBI circular, all the important news which are very frequent and difficult to understand for the banking and insurance sector examination, especially for the financial sector. News number one, Reserve Bank of India launches to expedite the payout for the reactivation of the inoperative account and unclaimed deposit. Meaning is now RBI is going to pay the incentive to the bank. RBI बैंक को incentivize करेगा. समझ रहे हो आप? RBI बैंक को क्या देगा? Incentive देगा. Why? If banks are able to reactivate the dormant account, if banks are able to reactivate and return the unclaimed deposit of their own customers, अपने customers के जो dormant account है, inactive account है, अनक्लेम डिपॉजिट्स हैं, उनको बैंक जितनी स्पीड से रिटर्न आउट कर पाएंगे, रीएक्टिवेट कर पाएंगे, उसके अगेंस्ट में आरबीआई इज गोइंग टू पे द कमीशन, नॉट कमीशन, इंसेंटिव टू देम. ये है न्यूज नंबर वन. थोड़ा डिटेल में समझेंगे इसको, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. सो द स्टेप ऑफ आरबीआई टू रीएक्टिवेट द डोरमेंट अकाउंट इनटू द इकोनॉमी, उसके लिए आरबीआई ने लॉन्च किया है इसको. क्लियर? चलिए, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. Second news again from the Reserve Bank of India. RBI approved Greece-based Eurobank to open their first representative office in Mumbai by December 2025. Important point होगा. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, imposed the fine of 31.8 lakh rupee on the Indian Overseas Bank not to follow certain guidelines regarding the priority sector lending. PSL क्या होता है? Why this fine was imposed on the IOB? That everything we'll discuss in detail within the session. Now, when you will be traveling over the road on the national highway, you will be able to see certain type of QR code on the roadside banners. तो आप जब ट्रेवल कर रहे होगे ना, तो आपको रोड साइड बैनर्स पर, जहां पर आप किलोमीटर्स वगैरह चेक करते हैं, वहां पर एक QR कोड भी देखने के लिए मिलेगा. When you will scan that QR codes, you will be able to find out the detail of nearby washrooms, nearby hospitals, nearby hotels. All that information on that particular national highway will be equipped and collected together, will put into the QR code by the NHAI. तो ये NHAI का भी recently project इन्होंने start किया है, providing the information about that particular NH with the support of QR code. Tata AIG partnered with Equitas Small Finance Bank for the purpose of Bank Assurance Pact. Same bank, Equitas, have done the collaboration with LIC few days before. अभी इन्होंने collaboration किया है Tata AIG के साथ में. So Tata AIG is a general insurance company, have done the collaboration with Equitas for the purpose of selling the insurance policy. Bank of India launches BOI Trade Easy. BOI Trade Easy with Cash Invoice. So Cash Invoice is a fintech company, financial tech company, offering the lending facility digital online. With this company, BOI done the collaboration. क्या objective है? Objective offering the lending facility to the MSME digitally online, ताकि MSME को branch वगैरह visit ना करना पड़े और MSME digital with the support of app loan borrow कर पाए. Life Insurance Corporation signed MOU with the Rural Development Ministry. Objective is to promote the Bima Sakhi Yojana in the rural area. If you have not covered Bima Sakhi till now, do cover it today with the support of this session itself and the current update regarding this scheme. Reason, it is going to be a very important question for your LICW examination. Government of India appointed Mr. Ashish Pandey as a managing director and CEO of Union Bank of India, and Mr. Kalyan Kumar as the managing director and CEO of Central Bank of India. To two new CEOs recently appointed for our nationalized bank. Names are going to be very important. India-China resumes the direct flight between the distinguished cities, designated cities by late October 2025. So end of October, within few cities of China and India, the direct flight will be started. Mostly from Mumbai to some places of China, Bangalore to some places of China, Delhi to some places of China. It will be started. Homework के question check करेंगे. Before that, guys, you guys told me to do the MCQ session on YT. Today we have the very important session. We'll cover 251 top MCQs. And I'm not going to repeat it back again before RRB PO examination. These questions I will not repeat again on YT. There is no use of repetition of the same question again and again. Right? You understand this point. So please attend this particular topic. Definitely before RRB PO also I'll do few sessions. But they will be in that session we will be doing some other topics, some other question. I'm not going to repeat these sessions, this particular topics again. So 251 top MCQs, especially for your IBPS PO means mostly focused on RBI, banking and financial news. If we will get time, then we will do news of national importance also within the same session. Otherwise, two major topics, that is RBI circular, SEBI circular, after that banking, finance, business news. These two topics will try to wind up today with the support of 251 question. Last 4 months के question होंगे, very very important. So join it at 10 AM live. 10 बजे लाइव ज्वाइन कर लेना. कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, यस और नो कर दीजिएगा. कंफर्मेशन आप लोगों का मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं मिला है. 9:55 also, if I feel like yeah you guys are not interested, we'll close the session. I'll focus on hustle then. वहां पर बच्चे हमेशा इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं फॉर एडिशनल सेशन, राइट? तो फिर वो बेटर ऑप्शन है कि हसल में सेशन करो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूट्यूब. According to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is the world's largest manuscript collection consisting of approximately how many manuscript? Correct answer is 1 crore. ये homework का question दिया था आपको. Consider which of the following statement about Kapas Kisan mobile application recently launched in India, which of the following above statement is are correct? So correct answer है आपके पास. Statement number 1, 2, 3 all are correct. This Kapas Kisan mobile application. Kapas means cotton. So it is launched for the farmers which are involved in the cotton production. Rui, cotton, उससे related है. So Union Minister of Textile Mr. Girraj Singh launched the application in New Delhi. ठीक है, इन्होंने application को launch किया न्यू दिल्ली में. Second है, app was designed to digitize the cotton procurement process and the MSP scheme. Third है, reduce the paperwork, ensure the transparency, protect the farmer from the distress sale. So correct answer है, all the above statements are correct. Union Cabinet approved 1,500 crore rupee recycling scheme under the National Critical Mineral Mission. So to recycle the critical minerals in India, 1,500 crore rupee scheme launched by the government of India recently. The scheme will be running for the duration of 6 years from the current financial year till the year 3031. तो अभी से लेके 2030-31 तक इसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया है. रिसाइकलिंग करना है क्रिटिकल मिनरल का. क्रिटिकल मिनरल जैसे कि आपके पास है सिलिकॉन एंड लिथियम. दीज आर द क्रिटिकल मिनरल. कुछ एग्जांपल्स मैंने आपको दे दिए. आगे मूव करें. Our TNA heroes Kavya, Jagidurgarao ji, Naveen, Praveen, after that Sanjay, Parul, then Shikla and Vartika, Simbu Saranji. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए कल के लिए. As per the master direction of the Reserve Bank of India, bank can accept the deposit free of, that is interest free deposit only in which of the following case? Second question है, what is the interest payable by the bank on the overdue deposit, overdue domestic term deposit? Third है, under the RBI directions, bank cannot pay any brokerage or commission for mobilization of the deposit except in which of the following case? बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, based on the recent circular of the Reserve Bank of India regarding the different type of deposit. उसी के ऊपर आधारित है. Recently in the IBP, in the SBI PO means examination, we have seen the similar type of question from the direct circular of RBI. Answers लगाइएगा. I will give the detail tomorrow. Hustle 2.0 batch at present available at 699. Usual price is 999. अभी 699 पर available है under the offer. You can check the details. Join the batch for the complete preparation of your static banking awareness, dynamic, that is current banking awareness, the topic like RBI circular, RBI news, banking, financial news, news of national importance, international importance, government scheme, state in news, other important news, topic wise monthly current affairs, targeting to your bank, insurance, regulatory body examination. Either you are preparing for upcoming RRB examination or LICW examination. This one batch is more than sufficient for any upcoming exam of banking and insurance sectors. Check the details, join the batch today, take the feedback from the student, those who are already attending the classes. Unse feedback le and after that you can start the preparation. Welcome to Guidely guys. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. तो यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएगा PDF of this session. Starting with the news number 1, Reserve Bank of India launches a scheme to expedite the payout and reactivation of the inoperative account and unclaimed deposit. पहले तीन terminology समझ लीजिए. After that, it is going to be easy for you to understand this news. If account is not in use, bank account, saving account, current account, such type of deposits are not in use for the duration of 1 year. अगर आपका कोई एक बैंक अकाउंट है, एक साल के लिए अगर यूज में नहीं है, so we call it inactive account. उसे कहा जाता है inactive account. It is easy to activate an inactive account. You just need to do one transaction. Deposit money, withdraw it again. उसको deposit कर दो, withdraw कर दो, and after that you will be able to use it again. If the account is not in use for the duration of 2 years, अगर 2 साल तक यूज में नहीं है, then it is called dormant account. तो उसे हम बोलते हैं dormant account. Dormant account को reactivate करने के लिए we need to do the re-KYC. Re-KYC is necessary. Re-KYC is necessary to reactivate the dormant account. If the account is not in use for the duration of 10 years, 10 साल तक एक account use में नहीं है, some money is deposited into that. After that, it is called unclaimed deposit. Unclaimed deposit. It is necessary to transfer unclaimed deposit to DEF, DEAF, which is managed by Reserve Bank of India. RBI manage करता है. Depositor Education Awareness Fund, which is managed by Reserve Bank of India. Avoiding these type of accounts, that bank should avoid inoperative account, dormant account, and especially unclaimed deposit. RBI launched this facility. Very, very important scheme. For sure, you will expect the question in the upcoming examination. So, scheme name is Scheme for Facilitating Accelerated Payout Inoperative Account and Unclaimed Deposit. तो इनऑपरेटिव अकाउंट और अनक्लेम डिपॉजिट जो हैं, इनको रीएक्टिवेट करने के लिए आरबीआई ने एक प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है. दिस स्कीम विल बी इंप्लीमेंटेड फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 1 year. ड्यूरेशन विल बी October 1st, 2025 till 30th of September 2026. What is the scheme? Under this scheme, bank need to connect with customer. बैंक का काम होगा कस्टमर्स के साथ कनेक्ट करना. Reactivating their inactive account, inoperative account, and unclaimed deposits को वापस से settle करना. Connecting with the customer, telling them the disadvantage of having the unclaimed deposit, decided that your money is there with the bank. Someone in your family deposited money, it is there in the bank. Do the re-KYC. Get your money back. अपना पैसा लीजिए, use करिए. You will be in advantage. Explaining them about the advantage of not to keep any inoperative account or unclaimed deposit with the bank. Convincing them, taking the paper, doing the re-KYC and reactivating such account. If the bank is successfully able to do that, अगर बैंक ये successfully कर लेता है in the next 1 year, bank will be able to get the incentive. बैंक को incentive मिलेगा on each account, each customer. If the account is inoperative or dormant for the duration of 4 years, अगर 4 साल का duration है, up to 4 years का duration है, उसमें account आपका inoperative है, then 5% of amount or 5,000 rupee, whichever is less. So 5% of amount or 5,000 rupee will be given to bank, not customer. Customer will get the reactivation of account. Bank को मिलेगा 5% of amount or 5,000 rupee on that customer. 4 years to 8 years अगर inactive है 6%, 8 years to 10 years 7%, above 10 years that is unclaimed deposit. It came to the unclaimed deposit condition, 7.5% or 25,000 rupees. It means whatever the amount is there. It means if someone have 10 lakh, 15 lakh rupee in their unclaimed deposits, and bank is able to connect with that customer, bank is able to take the re-KYC and return their money back after this, bank will also have the advantage of 25,000 rupee on that customer. आरबीआई पे करेगा बैंक को. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. क्लियर हो रहा है ये वाला पॉइंट? तो ये है आपका एक नया स्कीम विच इज लॉन्च्ड बाय द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, which is launched by the Reserve Bank of India for settling the unclaimed deposit, decreasing the number of inoperative account in the banking system. A great initiative by the Reserve Bank of India. Important question for the upcoming examination. आगे मूव करें. ये वाला न्यूज क्लियर है आप लोगों का? जाग रहे हैं आप लोग? चलिए नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पर चलते हैं. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूव द ग्रीस बेस्ड यूरो बैंक टू ओपन द फर्स्ट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफिस इन मुंबई by December 2025. तो December 2025 तक पहला रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफिस ओपन करेगा ग्रीस यूरो बैंक इन इंडिया. सो ग्रीस यूरो बैंक विद द 100 billion euro of asset have received the Reserve Bank of India approval to start their representative office in India to increase the presence of Greece Euro Bank within India, or to start their operation business in the banking industry in the Indian market. तो ये ग्रीस यूरो बैंक को आरबीआई ने अभी रिसेंटली अप्रूवल दिया है to start their operation in India. Eurobank is expanding into the Israel, Saudi Arabia, UAE to strengthen the presence in the ICMEC, means this oil marketing countries जो हैं in that countries जहां पर oil market जो है थोड़ा सा boost करता है. So in such countries now this Eurobank is trying to boost up their business. वहां पर अपना business boost करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Along with that got the approval to start their representative office in Mumbai as well. Reserve Bank of India imposed the fine on Indian Overseas Bank. 31.8 lakh rupee fine was imposed by the RBI for violation of the priority sector lending. PSL क्या होता है? PSL is a function of RBI under which RBI gives certain target to the bank to provide the lending facility to the needy sector of society. फिर से रिपीट करता हूं, सुनिएगा. अगर एक बैंक जो है वो पूरा लोन बड़े लोगों को दे दे, अमीरों को दे दे, तो ऐसा सेक्टर जिनको नीड है लोन का, छोटे छोटे अमाउंट का 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 रुपी, उन्हें लोन नहीं मिलेगा. इसलिए इन लोगों को आरबीआई ने पीएसएल में रखा है, प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग में रखा है. पीएसएल is that sectors are those sectors which are neglected by the bank, like agriculture, like housing finance, like education loan. Such type of sectors comes under PSL, where bank is not allowed to keep very high rate of interest. So bank usually avoid providing loan to these sectors. That is why RBI kept these sector under PSL by giving them target that 40% of your total loan you have to provide to the PSL. कि आप 100 रुपी लोन मार्केट में दे रहे हो इन वन फाइनेंशियल ईयर, 100 रुपी में से एटलीस्ट 40 रुपी you need to provide to the needy sector of the society, to the PSL. Indian Overseas Bank have not followed certain guidelines. क्या guideline follow नहीं किया? During the inspection, RBI observed on 31st of March 2024, RBI found IOB collect loan-related charges on the certain PSL account. These were the accounts, small accounts with the loan up to 25,000 rupee. एक processing charge लगता है whenever you are borrowing the loan. Processing charges are usually nil when you are taking PSL loan. जहां पर आपका लोन PSL में है, प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग में है, documentation charges, processing charges, such type of charges are not imposed by the bank on these type of loan, on PSL loan, to keep them cheaper, कि वो महंगे ना लगे. Indian Overseas Bank imposed processing charges, documentation charges over few PSL loan. Because of that, RBI imposed this fine of 31.8 lakh rupee. I hope the statement is clear. समझ आ गया होगा क्या PSL लोन है और क्यों फाइन इंपोज किया है अभी रिसेंटली आरबीआई ने आईओबी के ऊपर. क्या क्लियर हो गया? तो कंफर्मेशन दे दीजिए. करेक्ट है, 8 सेक्टर्स होते हैं अश्विन, कंप्लीटली करेक्ट. इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक फाउंडेड इन द ईयर 1937. टैगलाइन है गुड पीपल टू ग्रो विथ, गुड पीपल टू ग्रो विथ. 1937 formed. Mr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava is the MD and CEO at present. Ajay Kumar Srivastava sir tenure has been extended till 8th of October 2027. इनका tenure अभी recently extend किया गया है. आगे move करें. Securities and Exchange Board of India extended the deadline. इन्होंने deadline को extend कर दिया, extended the deadline for full rollout with the retail algorithmic trading framework. Meaning is few days before in February, not few days, few months before in Feb 2025, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India came with a circular. Algo trading, that is trading, algo trading, algorithmic based trading, utilization of AI boards for the trading purpose. What is the meaning of trading? You are buying a stock at 40 rupees and same day you are going to sell that stocks at 45 rupees. So on each stock you are booking the profit of 5 rupees. तो आप जब 40 पर खरीद के 45 पर सेम डे परचेस कर रहे हो तो आपको एक स्टॉक पर 5 रुपीस का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. So for example, you invested 1 lakh rupee, then you will generate a good profit. You invested 10 lakh rupee, you will generate a bigger profit. Nowadays, few brokers, digital brokers started providing insight to the traders with the support of AI. So how much will be the use of AI in the trading? That was defined by the SEBI. कि भैया AI कितना उपयोग में लाया जा सकता है for the purpose of using or doing the trading into the stock market. SEBI said AI can give you input, but AI cannot put the order to buy and put the order to sell based on the decision of AI. That has to be human decision. So limitation or limited use of algorithmic based trading will be implemented into the stock market. That is what defined by the SEBI. SEBI given the deadline to implement it by October 1st, 2025. Now SEBI extended this deadline. अभी SEBI ने थोड़ा relaxation दिया, extended the deadline. To ensure the readiness, broker must participate at least one mock trading session by 3rd of January 2026. It means this is a new deadline. By 3rd Jan 2026, the traders should show that they have implemented it. उन्होंने implement कर लिया है algo trading in a limited way. And the brokers, those who are failed to follow this guideline, they will not be able to onboard new customer from 5th of January 2026 onward. तो 3rd January deadline है. अगर deadline achieve नहीं हुई 5th January से नए कस्टमर्स को ऑनबोर्ड नहीं कर पाएंगे ब्रोकर्स. पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया सर आप लोगों का ये वाला? ठीक है, सर्कुलर क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट वन, नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज NHAI, to set up the QR code signboard displaying the project along with the national highway. So on a particular, whenever you will be, as I have told you in the starting also, when next time you will be traveling on the national highway, you may able to see these type of QR code nearby road. ऐसे QR code देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. If you will scan that QR code, you will be able to get all the information. You will be able to get all the information on that national highway. Information about emergency helpline number, nearby hospital, fire brigade facility number, after that washroom facility number, all these numbers, all these facilities and nearby stops, hotels, all the information will be available on that QR code. तो उस QR code पर आपको सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी, including the toll manager number, resident engineer, helpline emergency number 1033. All this information will be available on this QR code. The QR code will be helpful for the people, those who are traveling frequently. Board will guide user nearby facilities such as hospital, petrol pump, toilet, after that police station, restaurant, vehicle repair shop, truck lay-by, lay-bys. So truck को खड़ी करने के लिए जो होते हैं ना, lanes बना दी जाती हैं. E-charging station along with the distance to the upcoming toll plaza. All these information will be available over this particular on this particular QR code. Bandhan Bank integrate NPCI Bharat Bill Payment Bharat Connect platform. First of all, Bharat Connect. Bharat Connect is a platform of BBPS. Previously, it was called Bharat Bill Payment System. So Bharat Connect is a platform which offer different type of facilities to the customer. If you want to pay your electricity bill, you want to book the gas cylinder, even you want to pay property tax, or you want to do bill recharge, all these things you can do with the support of Bharat Connect portal. Same portal offer the option to pay different type of EMI. So if you want to pay advance EMI, you want to pay any due EMI of any bank, you will be able to do with the support of this Bharat Connect platform. Now recently, Bandhan Bank have integrated Bharat Connect on the application of Bandhan Bank. Now within Bandhan Bank, there will be an option of Bharat Connect. So any previous due EMI of the Bandhan Bank directly with the support of application, by integrating this platform of Bharat Connect, you will be able to pay the EMI such as personal loan, auto loan, टू व्हीलर लोन, इन सबके EMI आप पे कर पाएंगे. अगर आपको एडवांस EMI करना है, प्रीवियस कोई ड्यू EMI को रीपे करना है, so that type of facility will be available on the Bandhan Bank application after integrating the Bharat Connect platform. So Bandhan Bank, Parth Pratim Singh Gupta is the MD and CEO. Recently, the decision of Bandhan Bank to integrate the Bharat Connect was in the favor of customer to making them ease service for providing the payment facility related to the loan accounts. I hope the statement is clear. Next one, Tata AIG, which is a general insurance company. General insurance company means the company which is involved in the transactions, related to offering the insurance facility like health insurance, automobile insurance, you want to buy car insurance, motor insurance, marine insurance, house property insurance, all such type of insurance offered by general insurance company. Tata AIG is a general insurance company, recently done the collaboration with Equitas Small Finance Bank. So Equitas Small Finance Bank will be selling the insurance policy of Tata AIG from their branches. Equitas will be selling the insurance policy of Tata AIG from their branches to increase the sale of Tata AIG, against which Tata AIG will pay commission to the Equitas Small Finance Bank. तो Equitas को मिलेगा commission, Tata AIG को मिल जाएंगे sales. This collaboration is called bank assurance. So recently Tata AIG and Equitas have done the bank assurance pact between each other. OpenAI, ChatGPT, you guys are using it continuously. So OpenAI hits 500 billion valuation. $500 billion valuation. So OpenAI recently, that is the creator of the ChatGPT, have achieved $500 billion valuation after a secondary market sale to the SoftBank. SoftBank is a very big bank of Japan. जापान का बहुत बड़ा बैंक है SoftBank. इसने भी recently shares purchase किए हैं OpenAI के, which is a owner of ChatGPT. ChatGPT का owner है आपका OpenAI. So SoftBank purchased the shares of OpenAI. Because of that, the OpenAI share prices crossed to 500 billion valuation. So it is there now in the top companies in the world, in the AI sector, the top companies in the world, alongside with the ByteDance, SpaceX, etc. तो इन companies के आसपास में आ गया OpenAI. Bank of India launches BOI Trade Easy. BOI Trade Easy with Cash Invoice, which is a fintech company. Fintech companies are offering the lending facility, deposit facility completely digital online, without any manual paperwork, without any branch visit. तो अगर आपको पूरी तरीके से डिजिटल ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग फैसिलिटी यूज करना है, फिनटेक इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. BOI Trade Easy recently, which is launched by Bank of India, is launched for the MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises. MSMEs are able to get the loan against their GST invoices. GST invoices are the proof that how much trade or business you are doing. So based on that transaction, Now, BOI Easy, Trade Easy platform will be offering the MSME loan within 30 minutes. 30 minute के अंदर MSME loan offer किया जाएगा compared to the traditional 15 to 30 day process. 30-minute loan. BOI will be offering to the MSME with the support of the platform called BOI Trade Easy in collaboration with Cash Invoice. तो Cash Invoice के साथ में collaborate करके launch करेंगे. BOI aim to disburse 1,000 crore rupee working capital loan with the support of this platform in next 4 to 6 months. तो ये टारगेट रखा हुआ है BOI ने अभी रिसेंटली. ठीक है. मिस्टर रजनीश कर्नाटक इज द MD and CEO. 1906 BOI was formed. मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर है. Relationship beyond banking is the tagline. Next news, LIC. Life Insurance Corporation. Very important for LIC AAO student. जो भी जा रहे हैं LIC AAO का मेंस लिखने के लिए. So Life Insurance Corporation signed MOU with the Department of Rural Development, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India to promote the Bima Sakhi Yojana. Let's understand Bima Sakhi first. कि Bima Sakhi क्या है? There was a recent update that Bima Sakhi Yojana crossed 2 lakh rural women enrollment. More than 2 lakh Bima Sakhi executives have been enrolled by the LIC. मतलब LIC में अब काम करने लगे 2 लाख से ज्यादा Bima Sakhi. So Bima Sakhi is an initiative which is launched by LIC under Bima Trinity concept. Bima Trinity is the combination of Bima Sugam, Bima Vahak, Bima Vistar, where Bima Vahak are a type of agents hired by the company to increase the sale of insurance policy. तो insurance company क्या करती है? Insurance policy का sale increase करने के लिए कुछ आप बोल सकते हैं कि individuals को as a agent hire करते हैं. I hope you are getting my point. As a agent hire करते हैं. So Bima Sakhi scheme was launched on 9th of December 2024 by the Government of India. PM Modi personally launched it in Haryana. इसको launch किया गया था. So the women between the age group of 18 years to 70 years and completed the 10th class at least, they will be able to get the training under LIC to work as a Bima Sakhi. They can sell the insurance policy into their rural area or into their villages. इसके लिए बीमा सखी योजना को लॉन्च किया गया था. Now recently LIC signed MOU with the Department of Rural Development, Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India to promote the Bima Sakhi योजना in the rural area. अब Ministry of Rural Development के साथ में LIC ने कोलैबोरेशन किया है. ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि Ministry of Rural Development भी सपोर्ट करे LIC का in the promotion of the Bima Sakhi योजना. So more women in the rural area will be able to get the advantage, will be able to get the training as a Bima Sakhi. They will also able to sell the insurance policy and they will also able to earn more commission, more income. तो वो commission और income generate कर पाए. MOU was signed during the National Conclave on the Financial Inclusion. बहुत important है. National Conclave on the Financial Inclusion called Anubhuti, held from 8 to 10th of July in 2025. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट में ने गोवा में इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, तब ये MOU साइन हुआ है. सो हियर यू हैव द डिटेल्स ऑफ बीमा सखी योजना. इन द बीमा सखी योजना इंसेंटिव्स वर आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड. बीमा सखी में इंसेंटिव्स भी प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं. स्टाइफन, दैट इज स्टाइफन फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर 7,000 per month, 6,000 second year and 3,000 third year. With the time fixed incentive get decreased and incentives get increased. तो जो आपका फिक्स्ड स्टाइफन है वो धीरे धीरे कम कर देते हैं और जो इंसेंटिव्स पार्ट है उसको इंक्रीज कर देते हैं. एक और न्यूज है आपके पास, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू पेटीएम. पेटीएम एंड जियो BlackRock launches India's first systematic active equity fund for the retail investor. It is a new initiative in the field of mutual fund. As of now, usually what mutual funds do, they follow one particular index. For example, Nifty Bank 50. So if you are making the investment in an index which is related to banking industry, so what that mutual fund do, where you are making the investment for the further investment into the banking industry. आपको banking industry में investment करना है, आपने एक mutual fund decide किया जो banks में invest कर रहा है. तो वो म्यूचुअल फंड मोस्टली क्या करते हैं, These mutual funds are mostly following a particular index related to banking. Index is the combination of set of companies from a particular sector. For example, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is the combination of banks working in India. So if the Bank Nifty is going up, means banking sector is doing well. Bank Nifty is going down, it means banking sector is not doing well. That is what the meaning of index. Now, Paytm launched India's first systematic active equity fund. Meaning is this fund is not a passive fund. ये passive fund नहीं है. It's an active fund. Difference between passive and active fund is passive funds are mostly based on index. If the index is doing well, your fund will do well. If the index is not doing well, your fund will not do well. वो उनको सिर्फ अलाइन कर दिया इंडेक्स के साथ. अगर कंपनीज अच्छा कर रही है, इंडेक्स अच्छा कर रहा है, तो आपका म्यूचुअल फंड ठीक करेगा. कंपनीज अच्छा नहीं कर रही है, इंडेक्स नीचे जा रहा है, तो आपका म्यूचुअल फंड भी नीचे जाएगा. डायरेक्टली है, पैसिव रिजल्ट है, नॉट एक्टिव रिजल्ट. While active fund is going to be, company will select each and every bank if they want to make the investment in the banking industry also, वो select करेंगे that okay, this bank, this bank, this bank, this bank, not the complete index. कि in index के among भी these bank where we will be making the investment. Second, तो ये हो गया आपका systematic, ये हो गया आपका active. Systematic means based on the quantitative signal. ये हो गया आपका based on the quantitative signal. ठीक है. Yes, Ashwin, current affairs is current affairs. Either you are going for IBPS clerk or SBI clerk. For all upcoming examination, the 10 AM session is going to be helpful. वो तो helpful होगा ना सारे के सारे एग्जाम्स के लिए. ठीक है. So definitely you should join it. Back to the news. Systematic means it is not based on the gut feeling. It is based on the data. So based on data, based on active fund management, India's first mutual fund recently launched by Paytm Money in collaboration with जियो ब्लैक रॉक के साथ में कोलैबोरेशन करके इन्होंने लॉन्च किया है. मिनिमम अमाउंट विच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट इन दिस फंड इज 500 रुपी. अपॉइंटमेंट्स की बात करें, सो रिसेंटली मिस्टर अनीश पांडे appointed as the managing director and CEO of Union Bank of India, and Mr. Kalyan Kumar appointed as the MD and CEO of Central Bank of India. So Kalyan Kumar sir CBI, and Anish Pandey sir UBI. So UBI Anish Pandey ji and Kalyan Kumar CBI. These are the banks in which they are appointed. Appointments were finalized by FSIB, Financial Service Institutional Bureau. FSIB have announced this. भानु प्रताप शर्मा is the chairperson of FSIB. तो FSIB के chairperson है भानु प्रताप शर्मा. इन्होंने रिकमेंड किए थे नाम, and finally these two people have been appointed. तो ये आपके पास न्यूज है. एंड इंटरनेशनल न्यूज की तरफ चलते हैं. एक न्यूज और देखेंगे बिकॉज आई नीड अ लिटिल टाइम टू ऐड फ्यू मोर क्वेश्चन इन योर 10 o'clock सेशन. 10 बजे जो हमारा मैराथन है ना, उसके लिए कुछ और क्लासेस भी ऐड, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस भी ऐड करने हैं. सो आई विल बी मीटिंग यू गाइस बैक एट 10 आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस न्यूज. इंडिया चाइना रिज्यूम द डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट बिटवीन द designated cities by late October. So Ministry of External Affairs have given the confirmation that India and China will be starting the flight again. Those who were suspended in 2020 because of COVID-19 and the border tension. तो 5 साल से कोई भी direct flight नहीं है. In the last 5 years, India does not had any direct flight from India to China. That is going to resume now. अब resume होंगे. India and China are trying to increase their relationship better. They want to make their relationship better after the issue with USA. Both are having the common issues with USA now. So both are trying to work together to improve to the developed economy in the upcoming years. चलिए, thank you for joining the session. I'll be meeting you guys back again at 10 AM. मैं 10 बजे मिलता हूँ आपको in the marathon session. ठीक है, we'll try to discuss 251 question. As much as possible मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आपके साथ डिस्कस करूं. तो 10 बजे मिलते हैं वापस से. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द सेशन गाइस. टेक केयर. जय हिंद. ऑल द बेस्ट.